Hello my friends, many of you have probably faced this situation before. You connect a USB flash drive or a micro SD card, and suddenly realize that important files were accidentally deleted. Or even worse, the drive was quickly formatted, and it seems like the data is gone forever, but don't worry, watch carefully, follow each step together with me, and everything will work out. The great news is that EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard has made a real technological breakthrough in data recovery, thanks to its revolutionary smart sector rebuild technology, which sets a new standard for recovering fragmented files. Because of this technology, the program can recover deleted data with a success rate that significantly exceeds most other solutions on the market. If you'd like to dive deeper into the technical details, you can check the official news announcement, the link is in the video description. Now, I take a completely clean micro SD card and connect it to my computer. For this demonstration, I prepared some files and will now copy them to the SD card so you can clearly see that the data was actually there. After that, I don't just delete the files, I am formatting this memory card. At first glance, it looks like the data is completely gone, but in reality, this information can still be recovered, and now I'll show you how to do it using EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. I think the final result will pleasantly surprise you. Open the video description and follow the link to the official download page. Here, you can learn more about how the software works. It can not only recover deleted files, but also fix corrupted or incomplete data. Please note that the program allows you to recover up to 2 GB of data for free, which is perfect for photos, documents, or short video clips. To download EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, simply click here. You can try downloading the free version first, and then decide what to do next. I launch the installer, and install the program on my computer. Once the installation is complete, the program starts automatically, and we immediately see a few helpful tips for getting started. In the main window, we select the storage device we want to scan, and this can be any drive connected to your computer. In my case, I select the micro SD card, and click the button to scan for lost data. Pay attention to the program's built-in tips, in fact, recovering deleted data is easy. First, it performs a quick scan, and then a deep scan, which can find files even after formatting. During the scan, you can preview found files, filter them by type, photos, videos, or documents, and even open images to check their quality before recovery. As you can see, the program quickly and easily found my files, and now I'll try to recover them. I double-click the Pictures folder, and here we can see that my photos were restored without any issues. Click Recover. And in the next window, I need to choose a location to save the recovered file. You can simply create a new folder on your desktop specifically for recovered files. I click Save. Select the folder. And now let's open the photo. As you can see, the image has been restored perfectly, with no changes at all. Please note that if you unlock the Pro version, you get many additional features compared to the free version. Now let's check how the audio file was recovered. Yes, the audio file works perfectly as well. There's no real need to test a text file, since that's the easiest type of data to recover and it's obviously restored without problems. Instead, let's check the video file. It's important to mention that EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard can now recover damaged video files, and now we'll see that in action. Yes, the video has been fully restored, just like the other files. Before closing the program, we once again see an offer to upgrade to the Pro version, with a 50% discount, so don't miss this opportunity. As you can see, the data recovery process is quite simple and doesn't require any special technical knowledge. I'm genuinely impressed by the performance of this software, and I will definitely recommend it. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard really stands out thanks to its clean and user-friendly interface, careful handling of data, high security, and an extremely high recovery success rate made possible by smart sector rebuild technology. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might need it. Have a great day.